Hey everybody, it's Liz, your favorite photographer, and today I'm going to tell you how you can master the camera with 5 ultimate tips for looking flawless in your photos. So, do you think you're not photogenic? Well, if so, think again. I'm about to share 5 game-changing tips that will make you look like a pro in every photo. Photo shoots can bring out insecurities and bad nerves, but today I'm going to tell you how to combat those fears whenever you get in front of a camera. Have you ever wondered how some people look flawless in every photo? Well, it's not just about being naturally photogenic. It's about knowing the camera. Let's dive into these 5 ultimate tips that will level up your photo game. So first up, it's all about finding your best angle. Everyone has one. Try practicing different positions in a mirror and notice which side of your face looks best on camera. Our faces have different distortions on each side, so play around to see which one is your favorite. Tip number 2 is all about lighting. Lighting is key, you guys. Natural light is your best friend. Always face the light source to avoid shadows on your face. Daylight is my favorite light to shoot in, even when I'm at the studio. It sets a different mood and tone for your photos than indoor flashlight. Try it for yourself. Practice taking selfies with your phone near a window. Your photos will look much, much better. Tip number 3, remember to relax your face. A natural smile is always better than a forced smile. Practice smiling in front of a mirror until it feels natural. Remember that if your smile feels awkward, it more than likely looks awkward. Tip number 4, experiment with different expressions and poses. Add some personality to your photos. Be yourself. How you feel about yourself transfers over to the camera lens. When I see that a client is not comfortable during my sessions, I switch up my music playlist until I find music that calms their nerves. Try this at home when practicing your smiles and your poses. And finally, tip number 5. Last but not least, wear comfortable clothes and colors that complement your skin tone. This can dramatically improve how you look in your photos. If you're unsure what colors complement your skin tone, experiment. Try on different colors in natural light to see how they look against your skin. Don't be afraid to experiment with various shades and tones to see what works best for you. Also, trust your instincts. Ultimately, wear clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. If you love a certain color, but it doesn't necessarily match your undertone, you can still incorporate it into your wardrobe in smaller accent pieces or accessories. So there you have it, 5 game-changing tips to make sure you look like a pro in every photo. Try them out and remember that practice makes perfect.